Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Rahmausna with student ID number 241091200900016 from group 6 Dharmagiri. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lambung Mangkurat University. And in this video I want to present my essay on the theme of ethics of respecting others with the title The Importance of the History.
What is ethics? Ethics is the basic of the formation of students' character. A student with character also has good ethics. Students must apply ethics well, and including communication and respecting like tourists as educators, as well as staff in the campus environment. Ethics is actually closely related to the word moral, which is a term from the Latin language, namely mos, and the plural from moses, which also means the customs or way of life of a person by doing good deeds, morality, and avoiding bad action. As a student, ethics is not only respectful of teachers, but also is academic ethics. There are basic principles that guide you to live on campus. Every university has a code of ethics that must not be violated. A person will be reprehensible as an academic community if he does this. Ethics is related to value, norma, and morals. In the dictionary of sociology and related science, it is stated that value is the ability to believe in an object to satisfy humans. So value is essentially a property or quality inherent in an object, not the object itself. So value is essentially a property or quality attached to an object, not the object itself. Ethics in Greek in ethos, which is a term for feeling, habits, customs, disposition, and ways of thinking to do a good or bad deed or action. While in an etymological sense, ethics is a science that discusses all habits or customs. Ethics and morality are more or less the same meaning, but in daily activities there is a difference, namely morality or morality for the assessment of the deeds performed, while ethics is the assessment of the applicable value system. Each community has its own value system, but from the smallest community unit, namely the family, the education or schooling community, and the wider community, namely the community. Distinct order accompanied by mutual respect and non-judgment is the key to reflection tolerance. The importance of tolerance during the pandemic is a demand and necessity in behaving. The Great Indonesian Dictionary has several meanings that can be used to explain the word ethics, including the statement that ethic is a system of value or moral standard that guide the behavior and action of a person or a group. In addition, ethics can also be interpreted as a social accepted knowledge of this phenomenon of moral and ethical crisis will cause damage to the young generation, and this will have serious impact on the future of the nation. Therefore, efforts are needed to overcome and deal with ethical and moral crises on them is in the form of character education. Education is an effort. Education can be thought of as any experience that has a formative effect on the way people think, feel, or act. Education is generally divided into several stages such as preschool, primary school, high school, and the college, university, or internship. Education is carried out that various processes, both informal, formal, and non-formal. Etymological, this character comes from the Greek word. This meaning can be related to the understanding that character is painting of the soul that manifests in behavior. In the context of education, character is a way of thinking and behaving that is the hallmark of everyone to live and work together in the family, society, nation, and state. Thus, it can be understood that character education is a planning effort to shape individual character to become a useful person for themselves, personal, respecting the opinions or other with good words, appreciating with deeds, and appreciating with attitude. So, the attitude of respecting others means being able to receive and give a word in the form or praise, attention to others, an attitude of acknowledgement, appreciation, and respect, even developing and enriching recognition of different circumstances. Thus, it can be understood that respect is part of tolerance, where tolerance meaning letting people have opinions without us being intimidated. Application is also including in respect, how to both an attitude or respect is the same thing as how to both an attitude or respect in the daily life. Respect itself.
This is my reference. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us as we uphold the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.